Good morning, students. Let us start with our new chapter, chapter number 9, rational numbers. Now, what is a rational number? A rational number is defined as a number that can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Now you know what are whole numbers, integers. Now what is a rational number? Now rational number is a number that can be written in the form of P and Q, and P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. For example, see 4 by 5. 4 and 5 both are integers and this is written in the form of P by Q. Now second, rational numbers include integers, fractions and also negative of fractions like minus 1 by 2. See, minus 1 by 2. This is also a rational numbers. A decimal number can be expressed as a fraction and therefore it is a rational number. See, for example, 0.5. This is a decimal number. This we can write in the form of fraction. 5 by 10. See, this is in the form of fraction. So, this is also a rational number. Next is positive and negative rational numbers. If the numerator and the denominator of a rational number are both positive or both negative, then the rational number is positive. Now see, both the numerator and the denominator. This is numerator, this is denominator. If both are positive or negative, see here both are positive and here both are negative, then that numbers are said to be positive rational number. See here it is already in positive. Here what we will do? We will cut this minus minus, then it is a positive rational number. If the numerator and the denominator of a rational number have opposite sign, then the rational number is negative, negative. Now see, opposite sign. See here. Here the numerator is negative, denominator is positive. If here numerator is positive, denominator is negative, that means they are said to be in negative. Now 0. 0 is neither a positive nor a negative rational number. Example, 0 by 2, 0 by 7. Next is equivalent rational numbers. By multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator of a rational number by the same non-zero integer, we obtain another rational number equivalent to the given rational number. See here, for example, this is a rational number minus 2 by 3. By multiplying or dividing, let us see here. Here we will multiply. Minus 2 by 3. Numerator and denominator with the same non-zero integer. 3. Same integer. 3. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6 and 3 into 3, 9. That means minus 2 by 3 and minus 6 by 9 are equivalent to each other. Now our second example. By dividing, see. 10 by minus 15. We are dividing the numerator and denominator by the same non-zero integer. See, minus 5, minus 5. When we divide 10 by minus 5, we get minus 2 and minus 15 by minus 5, we get 3. That means 10 by minus 15 and minus 2 by 3 both are equivalent to each other. Our next topic is rational numbers in standard form. Now see, a rational number is said to be in standard form if its denominator is a positive integer and they have only 1 as a common factor between the numerator and denominator. See, if its denominator is a positive integer, for example, see, here both the denominators are positive, then and they have only 1 as a common factor between the numerator and denominator. See, here the numerator is 3 and here the denominator is 5. And they have only 1 as a common factor. 1 into 3 and 1 into 5. So, only 1 as a common factor. Such rational numbers are called in standard form. Now, if a rational number is not in a standard form, we will reduce the rational number to standard form by dividing the numerator and denominator by their HCF, highest common factor. For example, 36 by minus 24. Now the HCF, highest common factor of 36 and 24 is 12. Now see, here the denominator is negative. So we will put we will divide it by minus HCF. That is 36 by 24. 36 divided by minus 12 and 24 divided by minus 12. That we will get minus 3 by 2. That means minus 3 by 2 is the standard form of 36 by minus 24. Is it clear? Our next topic is rational numbers on number line. Now for example, how we will show 1 by 2 on a number line. We all know on the right side of 0 is positive number and on the left side of 0 is negative numbers. They are equidistant. And positive numbers and negative numbers are equidistant from 0 at equal distance. Now see here how we will show. This is 1 by 2. Now you don't know where we have to show this. So what we will do? We will divide 1 by 2. See, 0, then point, here you will put 0. 2 5s are 10. Now see, 0.5. That means this will come between 0 and 1. So here, in this, between here it will come. So we will distribute this in 2 parts. See, 2. 1 and 2. 2 by 2. See, 2 by 2 means 1. Second part here, 1. So, our example is 1 by 2. That means 1 by 2 will come here. This is positive. If it is negative, then it will come here on the left side. Is it clear? Our next topic is rational numbers between two rational numbers. Simply we know what are the between numbers. For example, here it is 7 and here it is 10. Write the between numbers. That is 8, 9 is between 7 and 10. But in rational number, how we will find? Now first see minus 3 by 5 and minus 1 by 3. See here the denominators are different. So what we will do? We will convert them into same denominators, equal. So let us convert them into 15. So what we will do? Minus 3 by 5 into 3 minus 9 by 15. We will again convert this also, minus 1 by 3 into 5 into 5 minus 5 and 15. Now see, both the denominators are same. Now you can find minus between numbers minus 9 and minus 5. That is minus 8 by 15 minus 7 by 15 and minus 6 by 15. Understood? This way you can find the rational numbers between two rational numbers. With this we complete our introductory part.